What's up, everybody?
We are here in the middle of the Roundabout in Ellijay, Georgia. We're about to go and visit the first farmers market of the season after the COVID pandemic.
Yeah, they would normally have opened back probably 4, 5,
April.
6 weeks ago.
Yeah, probably in April.
But obviously because of the COVID this year, they wasn't able to do that. So this is the first official weekend they're open. They are planning on being open every Saturday from here on throughout the summer.
Yes.
They'll be here every Saturday from 8 to 12.
They are taking all precautions, so every other booth is empty, and all of the vendors are wearing face coverings, and social distancing is being practiced, and there is hand sanitizer everywhere.
Everywhere. I'm surprised they don't have it flowing out of the fountain right here. But come up here and check it out, guys. We're going to do like we did last time. We're going to feature a lot of the vendors up here. There is so many unique craftsmen up here.
Oh, it's awesome.
You just got to come check it out. And then in a few weeks, they'll have the produce and everything out. Buy it straight from the farmers right here, guys.
Definitely.
Support your local farmers. We love to support local people as much as we can. Almost every craftsman and artisan we talk to in here are right here from this area. Yes, even the ones that wasn't originally from here have moved here now. They love it here so much.
So much, and it's so pretty. They just relocate.
So be sure you come up here and check it out. Give Ellijay some love.
Yeah.
And check out and get some really cool merchandise.
Yep, come on guys, let's go see what they've got out there today.
Looked forward to this for months now. It was supposed to be April 27th, I believe, so we had to be patient, but it's so nice to see all the vendors, the produce growers, the bakers. This is just what we do in the summer. This is Ellijay. We should have corn in about 3 weeks. We had, as you know, a very rainy, wet spring, and farmers had to plant later, so we do expect the lettuces, the squash, the green beans, the tomatoes shortly, but with a late start, it's going to be a little later getting in.
guys. We just wrapped up here at the Ellijay Farmers Market.
Oh, it was phenomenal, guys. You don't want to miss it.
Yeah, and if you've never been up here to Ellijay, you can't beat it. I mean, they've got all these little cute little shops all around the square here.
Antique stores.
They've got the Roundabout
food.
right up here in the main area, and they've got plenty of parking. The churches up here let people park in the parking lots for free on the weekends to go around and check out the local shops. And so come up here and check it out. It's a cute little town, guys.
Yep.
Make sure you tune in every week. You know, we always have a new video every Sunday at 6 p.m.
Yep.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss where we're at next.
Yep. We'll see you next time, guys.